Namaste. Welcome to our day 23 of 30 Days Yoga Challenge. In today's practice, make sure you have a rope also. Then come onto the front of the mat with your feet about hip width apart. Foundation posture, your feet pressing on the ground, spreading the toes, heels pressing, bandha. Breathe. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Then inhale, bring your arms up. Exhale, bend forward. Bend your knee if you need to. Bring the hands on the ground and lift the hips up. Feel the stretch in the back of your legs. Inhale, lift your head up. Hold the breath, both legs back. Chaturanga. Inhale, upper dog. Exhale, downward dog. Breathe. Inhale, bring your both feet forward, head up. Exhale, chest to the knee or bend the knee, chest to the knee, lift your hips up. Inhale, bring your arms up. Exhale, Namaskar and Samastiti. Number 2. Inhale, bring your arms up. Exhale, bend forward, chest to the knee or bend the knee, lift the hips up, feel the stretch in the back of your legs. Inhale, lift your head up, hold the breath, both legs back, body in a straight line. Exhale, Chaturanga. Inhale, upper dog. Exhale, downward dog. Inhale, hold your breath, both legs forward, head up. Exhale, chest to the knee. Inhale, bring your arms up. Exhale, Namaskaram and Samastiti. Then take the rope. Then bend the knee. Take the rope around the ankle and bring it on the top of your head, the hand like this. And you want to arch your back, lift the leg back and up. Exhale, release. Change your side. Exhale, release. Then bend your left knee onto the right thigh. Take the rope around the foot onto your back. Hold the left hand. Inhale, right arm up. Exhale, bend forward. With balance, bring the hand on the ground. Then with care, balance, come back. Change your leg. Right foot onto the left thigh. Rope around the foot. Hold on to your back. Inhale, left arm up. Exhale, bend forward. Balance, come back. Release. And sit down in squatting position. Take your left foot onto the right thigh. Right arm in front of your chest. Release. Change your leg. Right foot onto the left thigh. Left hand in front of your chest. Exhale, release. Sit down and go into lotus. Right foot onto the left thigh, left foot onto the right thigh. If you can't do the full lotus, you can also perform the same in the half lotus. If you can do the full lotus, then bring your right hand, hold your left toe. With left hand, hold your right toe. Inhale. As you exhale, bend forward. You can stay wherever you feel comfortable, convenient. Make sure that your hips remain on the ground, so hips not lifting. If you can go all the way down, go ahead. Inhale, come back up. Now if you couldn't hold your toes, we can do the variation. So if you can't hold the toe, you can bring the hands back into Namaskar position. Inhale, with exhale, bend forward. Inhale, come back. And if you can do lotus, bring the hand between your legs like this. Balance onto your hips, palms in Namaskar position. Bring the palm on the ground. Inhale, hold the breath, try lift onto your hands. Exhale down. Sit either in lotus or Sukhasana or in any comfortable posture. Stay focused in Dhyanasana. Become aware how simple and 10 minutes of yoga practice can be helpful in bringing your mind to be focused, your body to be relaxed and active, keeping your overall health active. Thanks in prayer pose. Namaskar.